want to bring your truck up here? Go ahead, Justin. Tell him that scoop.
I don't know where that one dropped.
You might want to go left.
Yeah, back up. That's too much of a drop. No, yeah,
that's not really that bad once you get up to it. Just don't go off at an angle because then you'll roll.
Can't see my body on that. It's too dark.
I can't see, so I'll just go left and I'll go down there.
That's cool, you can just let it set over there.
And it doesn't take off? Oh! The rock broke.
That's what I was scared of. I've never... That's how you know your truck's heavy. It's pretty cool. It looks like we got miles and miles to go. We get down we're following you. Wherever you think you can do it.
I just have to go down so
Okay.
I can see.
How long have you had your permit to do?
I just renewed it for my second 5 years.
Okay.
So yeah.
Brian missed his. Ended already. The 5 years can't keep fast. See where the rocks are that are like leaning?
Right over there.
Go get
Between
mine.
them, go back up that way.
No.
Yep. Do we want to go back up through there?
Yep, that's
Yep.
exactly what we were talking about. Then she can walk on the top side.
Yeah, go over there where you can see it in front of it. You got it. There you go. Perfect.
Yeah.
Power through it. That light's great for filming.
Down right there where that little crack is. Yeah, if you want to try that, you Besides that, that's what they said.
Why you can't carry a full tire?
That's what I told them. I got it like, my hand's too freaking big. What is that?
This is a XD9.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
He said he wants to go get his permit too, because he does, he built him a AR-15. He wants me to get one too. At the same time, I'm like, I don't need that for home protection. I just want the pistol and the shotgun.
Well, shotgun is your best protection for home.
Yeah.
You're high centered. That rock is killing you. Go one side or the other. There you go. It's
a pain, dude.
You have to with.
You gotta come down and then you gotta go back out.
That would be a good reverse gate. That bumper sure sticks way out there.
Yeah, but it's high enough it doesn't ever...
Yeah, it's above the, it's even with the front.
How many holes, Skip?
What?
Pits, how many rounds?
16 in the magazine.